Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Show. Today, I am going to take an English Literature class for Class 3 students. Our today's topic, Unit 3, Reading. So, my dear students, let's see first our today's class. Class 1, Subject English Literature, Topic Unit 3, Reading. Lecture 6, No SW today. Term Harvey, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. Okay, so my dear students, open this book. New Success with Buzzword, Communicative English for School. Main course book 1, and the first important thing, we will not learn unit 2. We will not learn unit 2 because this is not in our syllabus. We will learn today unit 3. You can see in your book. So the name of the unit is unit 3, the naughty T-shirt. Naughty means not good, bad. So, Unit 3, the naughty T-shirt. Open your book and go to page number 25. So, we're going page number 26. You can see. So, little T-shirt hangs on a clothesline. So, you can see there are 3 T-shirts hangs on a clothesline in the rope. Okay, so little T-shirt hangs on a clothesline. So these two are big and this is little T-shirt. Okay, he is pink and clean. So what is the color of the T-shirt? Pink and clean, not dirty. This little T-shirt says, "Oh, I'm bored." Bored means feeling weary. "I want to go out and play," he says. So little T-shirt is bored. He wants to go out and play. Then whoosh, he flies away. Then little T-shirt starts to fly away. "Oof, I'm flying." Sorry, "Oh, I'm flying. I'm flying," shouts little T-shirt. Little T-shirt sees rabbit. "Whoosh, whoosh," he comes down. So, the little T-shirt is coming down. Okay. "Look at me, rabbit," he shouts. Rabbit is scared. Scared means feeling fear. Okay. If anything comes from the sky before you, you will be also afraid, fear, frightened. Okay. Next one, little T-shirt sees mother hen and her chicks. You can see in your book. You can see. So this is mother hen, and there are 3 chicks of the mother hen. And the T-shirt is coming down. So little T-shirt sees mother hen and her chicks. Whoosh, he comes down again. Again T-shirt is coming down. Look, he's coming down. Mother hen and her chicks are scared too. That's why the mother hen and the chicks are scared. Only scared. They run away. So the mother hen and the chicks are not scared. They run away. They run away. Look, they're running because they're scared. We're going to the next page number 27. Open your book, everyone. I'm trying my best to show you the book. So little T-shirt laughs loudly. So little T-shirt is doing a very bad work, scaring others, and he is laughing, ha ha ha. Mr. Wind hears this. This is Mr. Wind, okay? Mr. Wind, and he's very angry. He's angry. Why he's angry? Because Mr. T-shirt is threatening others, is frightening others, okay? He blows hard. You can see this is the wind and blows hard. He blows naughty little T-shirt this way and that. Oh, please stop. Mr. Wind, I'm sorry. And then Mr. Naughty little T-shirt says, I'm sorry, please stop. Cries little T-shirt. And you can see little T-shirt is crying. I want to go back to the clothesline. He's not only sorry, he also says he wants to go back to the clothesline. Mr. Wind stops blowing. Little T-shirt falls into a puddle of water. So puddle means there is little water on the road. This is a road, or this is like a field, and there is little water in the middle of the road. This is called puddle, okay? So he's wet and dirty. So the little T-shirt falls into the puddle of water, okay? And little T-shirt is dirty. Before falling the puddle, he was clean. Now he is dirty. Oh dear, says little T-shirt. I will never be naughty again. And little T-shirt says, I will never be naughty again. Okay? What have we learned from this story? We will not do anything rough, any naughty things to our elders, superiors, youngers. Okay? So thank you very much for joining the class, my dear students. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home about bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.